Alright, here we go. Rocking out Stephane1's box 12-13 Upper Deck. SP Authentic. North Deck pack. So we've already got less in this case than the last one. Alright. We start with a pretty good Future Watch Auto Rookie to $9.99 Jason Zucker. We've got an MVP rookie of Scott Glennie. We've got an authentic moments of Ryan Nugent Hopkins. We've got a Team Canada moment, Sidney Crosby. We've got a 94 retro Ryan Getzlaf. '94 retro Jonathan Taze. Authentic moments Jordan Eberle. Base. 94 retro Pavel Datsyuk. Authentic moments dual Jordan Eberle Taylor Hall. Base. We've got an 11-12 Sign of the Times Michael Frolik. 94 retro Corey Schneider. Team Canada moments dual John Tavares Jordan Eberle. Base. Authentic moments Gabriel Landeskog. Authentic moments Sam Gagner. MVP rookie Jason Zucker. We've got a 94 retro autograph die cut Luc Robitaille. 94 retro autograph. Love those. We've got a Team Canada moments Adam Henrique. '94 retro Luc Robitaille. Might as well kill them both in one shot. '94 retro Mike Bossy. We've got an Upper Deck exclusives, numbered to 100, Jaromir Jagr. And we finish with base. So there we go, Stephane1 coming up next, Esper Holdings.